Hi guys, welcome to DST classes. In this video lecture, I will explain Unit-2 data operators in VHDL. So what data operators are we are using in VHDL? So mainly a operator will give some specified operation between input and output. So operators will give specified operation between input and output. We have 7 types of data operators. So logical operators, relational operators, adding operators, shift operators, unary operators, multiplying operators and miscellaneous operators. So we will discuss what a logical operator is. So logical operators mainly bit by bit operators. So these will give the logical operation between inputs and outputs. So mainly logical operators are bit by bit operators. So in VHDL we use 6 different logical operators. They are AND, which will give AND operation between A and B or inputs, or so this is a bit by bit OR operation, NAND, NOR, XOR and NOT. So these are all logical operators. So these are all logical operators which will perform AND operation or OR operation, NAND operation, NOR, XOR and NOT. All these are all bit by bit operations. So next one is relational operators, which shows specified relation between inputs and outputs. Okay. So mainly operators will give the specified operation. So second type of operators are relational operators. These operators shows specified relation between inputs and outputs. These are equal to, not equivalent to, less than or equal to, greater than or greater than or equal to. So A equal to B, right? Or A is less than B. So these are the example for relational operations. So here A is equivalent to B, here A is less than B. So whereas logical operators, A equal to X and Y. Okay. So X and Y. So like this we can write the logical operators. And third operators are adding operators. So here we have 3 types of operators: adding, subtraction and concatenation. So A plus B, which will add 2 integer numbers. Okay. So AND operation is different. Here adding. So here it will add A and B integers, or A and B binary values also. So or A minus B. This is also one example. So how it will subtract A from A minus B. And third one is concatenation, which will add some characters. For example, C and A and T. It will, the result of this is cat, CAT, cat. Okay. So if AB concatenation CD is equal to ABCD. Okay. So it will add 2 strings. So using concatenation we can add 2 strings. So this is an example. AB concatenate CD is equivalent to ABCD. So these are 3 different types of adding operators we have in VHDL. So next type of operators are shifting operators. So name itself indicates that it will shift or rotate the value for some extent. If you want to shift the data, shift left or shift right or shift arithmetic, for 4 times we have to shift. We will use shift arithmetic or shift logical arithmetic, shift right logical arithmetic, or is for rotate logical arithmetic. So shift left means it will shift only one time. Shift arithmetic means it will shift some extent. If you give 4, it will shift that value for 4 times. So rotate value means it will rotate, circular rotate. it will rotate the value 4 times. So next operators are unary operators. So these are used to represent sign symbol. Here also we use plus, but addition it will add a plus b. Here we use only one variable. So this is an example, plus. So if we want to use plus symbol to a plus a, so here we use only one operator. So whereas for addition we have to use a plus b. So here we have two operands. So unary operators name itself indicates that unary only one operator. So here we use sign symbol plus a or minus a. This is an example for how we can write, how we can assign symbols to a variable using unary operators. So unary operators used between before a single object. So whereas arithmetic operation we use between two operators. So next sixth operator is nothing but multiplying operators. Here we use multiply for multiply or for division. So after division we will get remainder also. For this we use, so this symbol is used to multiply two values. This symbol is used to divide two values. This is modulus value and this is remainder values. So this is used to store the remainder of division value. So a remainder b is equal to a minus a divided by b into b. So this is an example how we can write multiplying operators. And last one is nothing but miscellaneous operators. So these are miscellaneous operators are absolute values or this is exponential values. So if we want to find the value, absolute value, we use ABS. If we want to find the exponential values, we use this symbol. Okay. So mainly operators are used to specify some operation between input and output. There are some 7 operators: logical operators, relational operators, adding operators, shift operators, unary operators, multiplying operators and miscellaneous operators. So thank you so much.